So as vibe coders, we can stop trying to hunt down every API that we want our apps to connect to. As of December 18th, Anthropic just released Claude Chrome plugin with full Claude Code integration. And for a vibe coder, this is an absolute game changer because now we don't have to integrate with all the websites. We teach our apps how to use them. We literally just show Claude what to click, what to type, what to read, and it turns that into a reusable skill that our app can use and run anytime. This is the holy grail for coding. You might have seen things like OpenAI's Atlas or Perplexity's Comet. Those are great for exploring the web. But Claude goes one step further. With Claude Code, your browser actions don't just help you search. They plug in straight into your app's source code. So while tools like Bolt are amazing for spinning up UIs fast, they usually hit a wall when you need live data from sites without APIs. I just broke that wall. Here's the story of how you build with it. You open Chrome, you tap the new Claude icon, you hit record workflow, then you just do the task. If you're building a price tracker, go to the site, search the product, click the price. Claude quietly watches. It records what's on the page, what changes, what requests happen between the scenes. When you're done, you just save it as a skill. Something like this, check price. Now that skill becomes a power your app has. Back in your terminal, you can say, Claude, use my check price skill on these 50 links. And just like that, your app has hands. It can navigate the live web for you. Architecturally, this is a big shift. We're moving from text to code to action to agent. Instead of writing logic to scrape sites, we're creating skills, little bridges between our apps and the web. So here's your move. Download the Claude Chrome plugin. Record one workflow for a site you already use every day. Then ask Claude, create a script that runs this skill and emails me the results every morning. That's a web agent, zero code, built by showing and not by telling.